Hello guys, let's discuss this problem where this problem says an equilateral triangle of side 9 cm is inscribed in a circle. Find the radius of the circle. I hope that you understand what inscribed means. Let's draw a rough circle. Now you need to inscribe equilateral triangle in this. This is equilateral triangle. And let's suppose here the center of the circle is lying. You know that if a chord is subtending 60-degree angle at the perimeter of this circle, then it will be subtending double of this angle at the center of the circle. So if it is 60, then this angle will be 120 degree. We have already discussed this under the properties of circle. If a chord is subtending an angle of 60 degree at the perimeter of the circle, then it will be subtending the double of this angle at the center of this circle. You know the value of the sides of an equilateral triangle, which is 9 cm. Now let's suppose the radius of this is r. And as you know that if this is r, this is also r. And this is 90-degree angle, and you know that whenever we draw a perpendicular from the center of a circle to a chord, this will divide the chord into two equal halves and it will divide the angle on the center as well. So what I am trying to say here is that this is the chord here. Now you are familiar with the angles. This is R, this is R, this is the center of the circle. Whenever we draw perpendicular from the center of a circle on a chord, this will divide the chord into two equal halves. So this length will become 4.5 and this length will become 4.5 as well. This will be dividing the angle at the center as well. Why? Because you know that these two triangles are similar triangle according to the rule of RHS. So that's why this will be dividing the angle as well. Now after this, what you have to do here, you know the value of R, you know the value of this base, and you know this angle. So let's take the sine of this angle. Sine 60 will give you 4.5. Side in front of the angle will give you 4.5 and divided by hypotenuse. Length of hypotenuse, which is R here. Value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2. This is 4.5 divided by R. Value of R will be 4.5 into 2 divided by root 3. Now this value will be 9 by root 3. You can rationalize root 3 here by writing the root 3 in the numerator and by writing the root 3 in the denominator as well. I have already told you how to do the rationalization. After this, this will become 9 root 3 in the numerator, and when you multiply 2 root 3, this will become 3 and this will be 3 root 3 centimeter. So this is the radius of the circle you are getting. So I hope you should not have any doubt in this. I will be taking more problems in the coming video lectures. Thank you.